All right. Buckle up, Buttercup. Hey everyone, Rahul Rai here. Listen, have you ever spent hours crafting the perfect tweet only to have it get like 3 likes, 2 of which were your mum? Yeah, we've all been there, but fear not, my digital marketing padawans. Today we're diving headfirst into the wacky, wonderful world of digital marketing. We're talking about the kind of marketing that doesn't involve cheesy billboards or jingles that get stuck in your head for days. We're talking about the stuff that actually works in this crazy digital age. So grab your thinking caps, put on your best I'm ready to learn face, and let's get this show on the road. This ain't your grandma's marketing, folks. This is the real deal. We're going to break down the basics, have a few laughs along the way, and by the end of this, you'll be well on your way to becoming a digital marketing guru. Or at least you'll know enough to avoid those embarrassing 3-like tweets. So, are you ready to rock this digital marketing thing? Let's do it. Right. Before we get ahead of ourselves, let's answer the big question. What in the bloody hell is digital marketing? In a nutshell, it's just a fancy way of saying marketing stuff online. Think websites, social media, emails, all that jazz. But why is it so important, you ask? Well, my friends, it's simple, because that's where the people are. Gone are the days of shouting about your product in a crowded marketplace. These days, everyone's glued to their phones, scrolling through the interwebs. And if you want to get your message out there, you've got to go where the people are. It's like trying to sell ice cream in the Arctic. You're going to have a much easier time if you set up shop on a sunny beach, right? Digital marketing is all about meeting your audience where they are and giving them what they want when they want it. It's about building relationships, not just blasting out messages. And trust me, when done right, it can be seriously effective. First up, we've got SEO, which stands for Search Engine Optimization. Now, I know what you're thinking. SEO sounds boring, but trust me, it's way more exciting than it sounds. Think of it like playing hide and seek. But with your website, you want your website to be the first thing people find when they search for something related to your business, right? That's where SEO comes in. It's all about optimizing your website so that Google or Bing, if you're feeling adventurous, knows exactly what it's about and who it's for. It's like using the right keywords, building quality backlinks, and generally making sure your website is a joy to navigate. Do it right, and you'll be at the top of those search results, basking in the glory of online visibility. Do it wrong, and you'll be lost in the depths of the internet, never to be seen again. Section 4, Social Media, where cats reign supreme, and you can too. Next up, we've got social media. Social media. Land of cute cat videos, questionable fashion choices, and the occasional heated political debate. But it's also a goldmine for businesses looking to connect with their audience. Think about it. People spend hours on these platforms every day, sharing their thoughts, feelings, and most importantly, their money. If you can tap into that, you're laughing. But here's the thing. Social media is all about being, well, social. You can't just waltz in, start shouting about your amazing product and expect everyone to bow down and hand over their credit card details. You got to be clever about it. Engage with your followers, share valuable content, and maybe even throw in the occasional cat meme for good measure. Remember, it's all about building relationships and having a bit of fun along the way. Section 5, Email Marketing, not dead yet. It's more alive than ever. Now, I know what you're thinking. Email marketing, isn't that like so 2005? And yeah, it's been around for a while. But trust me, email marketing is far from dead. In fact, it's more alive than ever. Think about it. Everyone and their dog has an email address. It's the one thing that connects us all in this crazy digital world. And if you can master the art of the email, you can reach your audience directly in their inbox where they're most likely to see your message. But here's the kicker. You've got to make your emails stand out. No one wants to read another boring newsletter full of corporate jargon. Inject some personality into your emails, tell a story, and make people actually want to click that Buy Now button. Section 6. Content is king and queen and the whole royal family. Last but not least, we've got content marketing. Now, this is a biggie. Content marketing is all about creating and sharing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience. That content could be anything from blog posts and articles to videos and infographics. The key is to create something that your audience will actually find interesting and engaging. Because let's face it, no one wants to read another boring blog post about the benefits of double glazing. You've got to give them something juicy, something that'll make them want to stick around and learn more about your brand. Think of it like this. Content is the bait and your product or service is the hook. You need to reel them in with something enticing before you can even think about making a sale. So get creative, have some fun, and don't be afraid to experiment.